A quick, practical routine will keep your bathroom fresh after a messy clog without turning cleanup into a full renovation. Start by removing any paper and solid waste with disposable gloves and a sealable bag. Then flush the toilet to check drainage and repeat only if water level drops normally. Use a disinfectant cleaner rated for bathroom surfaces and apply it to the seat, lid, rim, tank handle, and any splashed areas, letting the contact time on the label elapse before wiping with a clean disposable cloth. Clean under the toilet bowl rim by lifting the seat and using a long-handled toilet brush or a disposable wipe to reach crevices. For persistent residues, use a small brush and a mild abrasive paste of baking soda and water to scrub gently. Wipe the floor and the area around the toilet base with a mop or disposable microfiber cloth dampened with the disinfectant solution, pulling the cloth away from the toilet so contaminants do not spread back toward it. Pay attention to vents and exhaust fans by running them during and after cleaning to remove humidity and odors. And if the fan grill is dusty, remove it and vacuum or wash it with warm soapy water. Finally, allow the toilet and surrounding area to air dry while keeping the door open or a window cracked to promote ventilation and reduce lingering smells. People often leave soaked paper or cloth beside the toilet, which breeds odor and bacteria, so always bag and discard waste immediately and replace with a small lidded trash can. A second mistake is neglecting the gap between the base of the toilet and the floor where grime collects. Lift a corner of the base, seal, and clean with an angled brush and disinfectant, then dry thoroughly and replace the seal if damaged. Another common issue is poor air circulation, causing persistent smell. Run a portable fan or open a window and consider a dehumidifier if the room stays damp for long periods. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors for post-cleanup repairs or deeper plumbing needs. And we also help contractors find work from nearby customers. We host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot common bathroom problems together.